Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how I made this lemon mosaic on a tray. Stick till the end of this video because I will be needing your help for the next decision on where to go with this project. So here is the tray. This tray I bought at a shop that has a bit of everything. It's called Jumbo and they have literally an assortment of everything and they have pretty low prices, so that's a perfect place for me to go find some things that I can renovate. So there was this. I already, as you can see from here, I already put a primer on so that it is resistant also to the grout that I will be using because it is water-based and this is wood. The primer I used is this one, but any universal primer will work. It doesn't even have to be in a spray can. It can be just paint. Forgot to turn on the light. Now you can see it a little bit better. Yeah, so for this here, I want to use 3 different colors and I will be focusing on the inside part here. And for the rest of it, I will actually need your help to decide what to do with it, but that will be at the end of this video. The 3 colors I decided to use for this is white, orange, and a type of green because I want to do a lemon brunch or lemon with the lemon flower, something lemon related. So I have here my 3 colors and these actually they all have 2 different types. So for example, this is the yellow one and it's the shiny version, but I also have the matte version of the same tile. So this is the yellow. Then we have the 2 different greens, so shiny and matte. And finally for the white, these 2. As usual, I'm going to start by sketching my design just so that it will make the whole process much easier. So my 3 main colors are done. It's actually going to be a 4-color mosaic. I did not account for the 4th color, which will be the background. And for that one, I chose to do it in blue just because it's complementary to the yellow and they really look good together. And then this is the matte one, just so you can see the difference. So here is the final mosaic. Now I will need your help to decide whether I want to do also another one here in the back, because this is actually primer, like I said at the beginning of the video, so I will have to paint it with acrylic paint just to give it a better look. But I was thinking maybe here in the back I can still do a mosaic. I would do something vertically. I was thinking of doing like a dividing curvy line made out of the lemon flowers, and then having two lemons, one at the top and one at the bottom. And for the background, using again the two blues, but separating the matte from the shiny one. So having one half only in matte tiles and one half only in shiny tiles. Regarding the rest, I think I want to keep this white, but then also inside here white, and then here the top have it like a light blue, just like the background tiles. And same goes for the back here. This will be mosaic, and then this here will be painted blue. So let me know in the comments below if I should mosaic also the other side of this tray. I think it would be a great idea, but I would love to know also your feedback. If you reached the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.